हाँ. Welcome students. In last video lecture we have studied definition of linear simple harmonic motion, and from this definition formula for restoring force, and from this formula of restoring force we have studied about force constant. Then in this video we study derivation of differential equation of linear SHM. Differential equation means the equation in which there are derivative terms dx upon dt like this. तर हे डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन डिराइव करण्यासाठी आपण सर्व माहीत असणाऱ्याच सूत्रांचा वापर करणार आहोत, आणि या सर्व व्हिडिओमध्ये ज्या स्लाइड्स किंवा फोटोज आहेत त्यातली सर्व माहिती ओळीने वहीमध्ये लिहून घ्या, म्हणजे तुमच्या नोट्स तयार होतील. तर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ लिनियर SHM प्रूफ, याच्यावरती 2 मार्काला प्रश्न विचारला जाऊ शकतो. डिराइव और ऑब्टेन द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ linear SHM. We know in linear SHM the direction of restoring force is towards the mean position, that is opposite to the displacement from mean position, and its magnitude is directly proportional to the displacement of the body from mean position, and both these conditions gives the restoring force F as F is equal to minus kx, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. तर हे डेरिवेशन डिराइव करत असताना आपण फोर्ससाठीची 2 इक्वेशन लिहिणार आहोत, आणि ती 2 इक्वेशन इक्वेट करून नंतर ॲक्सिलरेशनची किंमत डेरिव्हेटिव्हच्या स्वरूपात सबस्टिट्यूट करून आपल्याला डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मिळणार आहे. तर फोर्सचं हे पहिलं इक्वेशन आहे लिनियर SHM साठीचं. रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स F इज इक्वल टू मायनस kx. हिअर k इज फोर्स कॉन्स्टंट and x is displacement from mean position, and there is negative sign because the direction of vector F and displacement vector x are opposite to each other. Also, according to Newton's second law of motion, the force F is given by F is equal to ma, where m is mass of the body and a is the acceleration of the body. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, equation number 2. Then equating equations 1 and 2 we get ma is equal to minus kx, equation number 3. Then from definition of acceleration, the acceleration of a body is given by a is equal to dv upon dt. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity dv divided by change in time dt, and therefore we get formula a is equal to dv upon dt, equation number 4. Also, from definition of velocity, as a velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Velocity is equal to change in displacement dx divided by change in time dt, and therefore formula for velocity is v is equal to dx upon dt. v is equal to dx upon dt, equation number 5. Then substitute this value of v from equation 5 in equation 4. Then we get acceleration a is equal to d upon dt of dx upon dt. v ऐवजी dx upon dt substitute केल्यानंतर we get acceleration a is equal to d2x upon dt square. Equation number 6. d2x means twice the derivation of x. x चं 2 वेळा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलेलं आहे. x चं एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं dx upon dt की वेलोसिटी मिळते आणि वेलोसिटीचं परत डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं म्हणजे x चं दुसऱ्यांदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे ॲक्सिलरेशन आणि म्हणून ह्याचा उच्चार d2x न करता d2x. Acceleration a is equal to d2x upon dt square. Equation number 6. Substitute this value of acceleration a is equal to d2x upon dt square in equation 3. Then we get m into d2x upon dt square is equal to minus kx. Therefore m into d2x upon dt square plus kx is equal to 0. Equation number 7. Then dividing by m on both sides we get d2x upon dt square plus k upon m into x is equal to 0. Equation number 8. Then here substitute k upon m is equal to omega square in equation 8, where omega is angular velocity of a body. तर या ठिकाणी आपण लिनियर SHM चे इक्वेशन डिराइव करत आहोत आणि लिनियर SHM मध्ये अँग्युलर वेलोसिटी ओमेगा ही टर्म आलेली आहे कारण लिनियर SHM is related with uniform circular motion. We study this in next point, and therefore substituting k upon m is equal to omega square in equation 8 we get d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. Equation number 9. This equation 9 is the differential equation of linear SHM. Equation 7, 8, 9 all are called as the differential equation of linear SHM. Then by solving this differential equation of linear SHM we can obtain the formula for displacement, velocity and acceleration of a particle performing SHM, that is by calculus method. We study this in next video. Thank you.